guidance and support to help you get the most out of your plan. We can also help you schedule appointments or find a specialist. Annual enrollment ends December 7th. Start taking advantage of all the benefits of the only Medicare Advantage plans with the AARP name. We make it easy to enroll too, so call United Healthcare or go online today. Introducing new Vicks Vapor Patch. Easy to wear with soothing Vicks Vapors for her